Jenny from 21 Songs in 6 Days, and I'm here to teach you Sakura, which is about the cherry blossoms. The song can be found in the book, The Daily Ukulele, and so if you don't have that book, it's a great book of lots of songs. It has 365 songs, one for each day of the year. However, I will instruct you a little bit in how I do it because you can't always tell from the way it's written there. There are basically only 3 chords. There's an A minor chord, there's a D minor chord, which I just make I collapse my second finger, I put it onto 2 strings, and then I have basically an F shape. And then the only other chord is an E7. I'm doing all downs, 4 strums per measure. So it's really pretty simple. The other thing and that's all in that book, I'm using an English translation because I don't speak Japanese, but I do love the cherry blossoms and I do love the spring. Finally, I do have a chord melody version for solo ukulele, and if you want that, you can click on the link and we'll send it to you. It's written out in sheet music with the tab underneath. Sakura, Sakura, patiently we wait all year. Cherry blossoms now are here, fragrant in the morning sun, fascinating everyone. Sakura, Sakura, come let's look at last. And if you enjoyed Sakura, be sure to like this video on YouTube. You can also like us on Facebook. You can go to our website, which is ukulele.io, where we have blogs and where we have information on our books. We have 5 books now, and you can purchase those books on Amazon. They're under 21 Songs in 6 Days. Thanks so much.